ERD is the leader in Okuma machining equipment repair, focusing on legacy equipment such as the LB series of horizontal metal lathes and the MV series of metal machining centers. We purchased and rebuilt our own LB-15 and use it for testing OSP and spindle motor controls in the VAC series of drives and the multiple axis motor controls found in the BD and BDll series. This video shows a brief demonstration of our lead engineer manually running the machine to ensure proper operation of the X and Z axis controls plus the OSP system. We can repair your Okuma.
We can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, contact us by phone or visit us at www.industrialrepairstore.com.